Welcome to One Question at a Time, the TSI series. Question number 16. Rina had 5 coins worth 10 cents. Okay, and 4 coins worth 25 cents. If she chooses 2 of these coins random, what is the probability that 2 coins combined will be worth at least 35 cents? So we need to find what is the outcome, the possible outcome we can get. The first coin can be 10 cents. Then the second one can be 10 cents. The first one can be 10 cents. Then we have the 25 cents. Then the first one can be 25 cents. And the next one is 10 cents. And 25 cents at first pick, and then the second pick. Okay, this one can be 25 cents. So to combine the value of those, we will have this one is 20 cents. This one will be 35 cents. And this one will be 50 cents. So we want to be at least 35 cents. So at least means it equal 35 cents or above. So this one equal 35 cents. This one is greater than 35 cents. Okay? And this one less than 35 cents. So they say they're asking for the probability of choosing the 2 coin, but it's at least the value at least 35 cents. So we have 4 outcome. Now if we calculate the 3 outcome here and we combine, we got what they're asking for. So the probability of x greater than or equal to 35 cents, we're done, right? But then we have to calculate 3 times. But if we calculate the probability of x less than 35 cents, right? You just take 1 because you know that those combined equal 1. So to find the probability of the event that x greater than 35, we can take 1 and then just subtract the probability of the event that the 2 coin cost or value less than 35 cents. In this case, my x is the event that the 2 coin combine yes, that the event 2 coin combine. And then the value of 35 is is 35 at what they said. Okay, so we can calculate the probability of x less than 35, and then the first choice, the first big right here is 10, a coin of 10. So if I take out ones. The first coin of 10, we will have to pick 5 coin of 10 out of 9 coin. So we have the total coin in here. Is 9. 5 10 cents and 4 25 cents. So we can pick this 10 or this one or this one or this one or this one. It doesn't matter because it's the same value. But we pick one of that at first, so it will be 1 out of 9. Right? So it's 5 out of 9 for the first one because it's independent event. So the second pick, we will have another 10. So we take that out. We will have 4 out of 8. Remember, for the first 10 cents we pick, we take this one and we not put it back. We put it out there. So because we put it out there, how many coins total now? It's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So 8 coins left. And then how many 10 we can pick from? We can pick 4 from that out of 8. So this is the second 10 we can pick. Second 10 cent coin we can pick. And this probability will give us 4 over 8. We can simplify it. So 9 times 2. Because A is 4 times 2. So we cancel out the 4. We're left with 2 at the bottom. So that 5 over 18. That 5 over 18 is the probability of choosing 2 coins that have the value less than 35 cents. What the case of picking 210. Okay? But they're asking for the probability of the rest. So our question mark is this value. That is our questions. Okay? So 5 over 18 is not the right answer. That's just the probability of picking less than 35 cents. 2 coins combined less than 35 cents. Now, our next target is to find out the question mark or the unknown. And to find that, we take the 1, subtract the probability of the event that we pick 2 coins and that is less than 35 cents. So we have 1 subtract 5 over 18. 1 can rewrite at 18 over 18. Then we subtract 5 over 18. Now it's the same denominators. We can combine. We have 18 at the top minus the 5. And it's like 13 over 18. And C is the right answer, correct answer. So when they choose 2 coins, the first coin when they choose, after they choose, they take it out, they not replace the first chosen coin back in. So the first total coin at first, it will be 9 coins total. 5 coins of 10 cents and 4 coins of 25 cents. So that total at first is 9. After we pick out 1 out, we cross 1 out, we take it out. So we only have 8 left. And then the next choice we can, like the outcome we can get is from the leftover. I mean like the rest of the 4 coin right here. So we have 4 opportunity of picking we have 4 chances of picking the 10. So 4 out of 8. If we replace the first coin in, that will be difference. If we replace the first coin in, we will have the probability of 5 over 9 for the first coin. Then we put it back. Then the second one is going to be 5 over 9 again. If they said that they would replace the first coin, the first chosen coin. But because in this questions, they not replace. So we have to reduce the total coin for the second pick will be 8. The probability of an event is always equal 1. In these questions, we also can use another way, I said at first, by calculate the probability of the event that the first coin is 10 cents, the second coin is 25 cents. So we can do like this, the probability of x greater than or equal to 35 cents. That will be, the first one will be 10 cents, so we have 5 over 9. Then the second coin is 25 cents, and we only have 8 choice, okay, and we have 4 choice of 25. 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 8. Then we add the second. This one is the first one. Now the second one is 25 first, so we have 4 out of 9. We multiply by 5 out of 8. Then we adding the third one is 25, so we have 4 out of 9. Then we multiply by 3 out of 8. Out of 8. Okay, so now we can calculate this one. So we have 5 times, this one can be 5 times 4 is 20, adding 20, adding 12 over 9 times 8. 52 over 9 times 8. You can divide 52 and top and bottom to 4. So we have 13 over 9 times 2. That's 13 over 18. You can do that at method number 2. This is method number 1. Either way, you will have exactly the answer is 13 over 18. Thank you for watching this video and participate in this series. See you next time.